my beautiful people, welcome back to Alazaesbeauty. And I know I'm looking a little crazy right now, but I wanted to try the new Chanel. It is the Camelia. It is skincare, and they also have a fragrance. Now, I also got a sample of the foundation because I definitely wanted to try it out. So that will be the foundation. I will show that in my next video, but this is BD41 in that shade. So, all right, let's go with the skincare. That's why my skin looks like this at the moment. All right, so let's go ahead. They have a serum. It's supposed to help plump, help with fine lines and wrinkles, all that good stuff. And the big thing about it is basically the flower is supposed to like help plump, which is really nice. It does have a scent. Now, I do have oily skin and my skin is sensitive. So we will see how this reacts. And I do have a serum that's honestly my favorite. So we'll see how this compares. All right, so went in pretty nicely. I'm going to show you what it looks like on my hand. So this is going to be the serum. This is what it looks like. Just pretty much, honestly, just something basic and clear. Right there. Boom. All right, so let me not let that go to waste. Put that on. All right, so now we're going to go with the cream. Let's see what I think about the cream when it comes to this one. Now, this one is a little bit in the thicker side, obviously, because it is a cream. Now, keep in mind, you always need a serum and a cream because the serum is going to penetrate the skin and the cream is going to be the top layer of the skin. So, both of them go hand in hand, kind of like eating right and exercising. You need both to get the full results. So, very light, not heavy. I would say, though, it does have a scent for those who don't like a scent in it, but it's not bad. I'm honestly pretty okay with it. Like I said, as long as it doesn't aggravate my skin, not so bad. All right, so another thing they have, it is the fragrance as well. It is this one right over here. It's going to look like this. Let's see if I can get it to zoom for you guys. Let's see. All right, but this is going to be more like a body mist. It's not really going to be a fragrance, so keep that in mind. And to be honest, it smells a combination for me of the Chance Chanel Tendre, which is one of my favorites. I like the way it smells. I got a sample obviously for this one, but I don't know, I like it. It's very soft. It's not like overbearing or just like boom. It's really nice. All right, so stay tuned for my next video because I will be trying the foundation. I already did a 24-hour test. I will be honest, I definitely liked it, but I wanted to show you guys how it looks when I apply it and when I apply my makeup all full face. So stay tuned. All right, my beautiful people, welcome back to Alazaesbeauty. Now we are going to be trying the Chanel, the new tinted foundation. So it's going to be more like a serum foundation. It's not going to be a full coverage. It's going to be very light. Now, I will let you guys know I did try it for 24 hours. I will be honest. I'm oily skin, sensitive. I'll be honest, I was amazed. I didn't think it was going to do that good. But I'm going to show you guys. So, I did get, obviously, like I said, a sample. I'm in the shade BD41, which is going to be this one. Get you in a little sample like this. I love how it has a little CC on it. But I love the foundation so far. I can't complain. I'm going to show you what it looks like. And I love how the tester also comes with like a little wand in here, which I like. Has a little wand, so basically when you apply it you could just like dab it on, which is nice because at first I was like, how am I gonna take it out? But that's it. And it's pretty easy, pretty light for those who like something light or something that looks like a makeup no makeup kind of thing, but it still evens out your skin tone. I'll be honest, this is really nice. It does retail for $4.70, a little bit more than the normal foundations, but I can't complain. I do like it. So I personally like to mix it with a brush because I feel like for me it gives me a better full coverage. If I do a sponge, it's gonna give me a lighter coverage, but I like to take the full effect. So I'm go ahead and mix so you guys can see how it looks. And it does give you a semi-matte finish as well. Even for me that I'm oily, honestly it controls my oils pretty good, which is really nice. That I was surprised because I was waiting for it to be a little bit oily. And I will post some pictures as well on the corner so I can show you guys what it looked like before, like when I went to work and I tried it out for 8 hours plus. So not bad. I like. Now, obviously, I don't put that much, honestly, on here because for me, I did notice when I did apply underneath, it kind of made my concealer crease, and it normally does not crease. So I was like, nope. So don't put it underneath the eyes, obviously, but everywhere else, you are fine. Looks pretty good. Can't complain. Looks good. All right, I'm going to finish the rest of my makeup so you guys can see the final finish with makeup. All right, my beautiful people, I am back after putting on the foundation. I wanted you guys to get a good idea of how it looks with foundation and everything on. So this is how it looks with foundation. I'm gonna get a little bit close so you guys can see. Let's see if I can focus it a little bit. And I do like that I am a little bit older, so you get to see what it looks on my skin. It looks really, really nice. I'm lost for words, to be honest with you guys. It is really good. Now, it does retail for $70. Now, that is something that you could think, is it worth it, not worth it for me? Honestly, for me, I do like it. It is worth it for me. Now, would I wear it every day? No, I'll be honest, because of the price. But for special occasions, I definitely do like this one. And it did hold up throughout the day, so I do like it. So I don't know, as an oily skin and sensitive skin, it does a good job. And as a person who has a little bit of pores and everything, it did do a nice coverage. So I cannot complain when it comes to that. It just, the way it feels on my skin, it is breathable, very lightweight, but it does good coverage. Now, I do want to mention something because I know I did see a couple of reviews. People were saying was not enough shade selection. And believe me, I am that kind of person. I need to see shade selections. But in this foundation, because it is a tinted serum, that is why it is very sure 2 or 3 of them could actually match you. So it's very forgivable. So I definitely suggest for those my deep skin girls, definitely go try it out. Go ahead and swatch. I already had a couple girls swatch at the store and they loved it. So it would definitely, one of them is definitely bound to match you. So shade selection would not be a problem. At first I thought it was going to be, but it's not. And you go from the fairest of fairest to the deepest of deepest and all in between. So they did a good job with that, because remember, it is a tinted serum, not an actual foundation. And it is buildable, but it's not full coverage. But for me, it did excellent on my skin. As I could tell, it does really good. And it does really good with foundation. My only con, and I don't know if it's maybe just this foundation or other ones too, but for me, for this one, do not apply it underneath, because I did notice for me when I did that before, I applied it and it did make me crease underneath. I didn't like that, so it did separate my concealer. In my concealer, I do wear the Shape Tape concealer, so definitely keep that in mind. I would just not put it underneath there, but besides that, it goes very nice and smooth, and it does really good with every other makeup. It's just wonderful, beautiful. Can't complain. So, all right, so today I did try on the Chanel. It is the cream, the serum, and the foundation. I did get a sample. Like I said, this is in the shade, again, BD41. I do wear NC40 and MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix, and I wear in, I'm trying to think, Lancome. I wear 370 just in case for reference, in the 24 Tint Idole. Oh my goodness. And I have tried foundations from like the more prestige kind to the more affordable drugstore brands, and obviously this will be more of a luxury brand compared to a prestige, more luxury, because obviously the quality, the price, etc. But I definitely highly suggest give it a go, give it a shot, give it a try. Go to your nearest Ulta, because they will give you a sample. Give it a shot. All right, my beautiful people. Well, don't forget, you're beautiful no matter what. See you guys soon.